children, good morning everyone. How are you all? Okay, fine. All of you had your breakfast? Okay, good. Okay, children, we have to continue this video. Okay, na children? In the previous class, what we learned? What is our topic name? Yes, our topic name is We Need Shelter. We need shelter. What we learned in the previous topic? In the previous topic, we have to learn about what are the houses are made of. What are the houses are made of? Okay, na children? And the difference between kacha houses and pakka houses. Okay, na children? And which materials are used to build such type of houses? We have to learn that. Okay, na children? Now we will continue that lesson. Look, all of you look at here, children. Say types of houses. Types of houses. Okay, na children? There are different types of houses. There are different types of houses. Okay, now look at here, children. Here is a hut. Huts are mostly found in villages. Huts are mostly found in villages. They have one room. They have one room. Such houses are not very strong. Such houses are not very strong. They have to rebuild or repair every year. They have to rebuild or repair every year. Yes or no, children? This is the hut. Mostly these type of houses we found in villages. Yes or no, children? Yes. And these type of huts have only one room. These type of huts have only single room. Such houses are not very strong. Look at children here. This hut, it is not looking like a strong house. It is weak. Okay, now children? They have to rebuild or repair every year. Such type of houses we have to rebuild or repair every year. Otherwise, they will suffer to protect themselves. Okay, na children? Okay, very good. Next, look at children here. Bungalows are mostly found in towns and cities. Bungalows are mostly found in towns and cities. Look at children, here is the bungalow. Okay, na? There are big houses. They are big houses. They have many rooms. They have many rooms. Some bungalows have a garden also. Some bungalows have a garden also, and car parking places also. They have. Okay, na children? Okay. Look at here, children. It is the bungalow. It is the bungalow. And these mostly bungalows are found in cities or towns. Okay, na? Mostly such type of bungalows we have to find in cities and towns. Okay, na children? It is look like a very big and strong also. It is look like a very big and strong also. Okay, na children? It is these type of bungalows have many rooms also. These type of bungalows have many rooms also. So that type of bungalows have gardens also. That type of bungalows have a gardens also. Okay, na children? Then children, all of you look at here. It is the multi-storied buildings. It is the multi-storied buildings. Okay, na children? These type of buildings are mostly found in big cities. These type of buildings are mostly found in big cities. Okay, na? Some multi-storied buildings have many houses. Some multi-storied buildings have many houses. Okay, na children? These houses are called flats or apartments. These houses are called flats or apartments. These multi-storied buildings, other names are flats or apartments. Okay, na children? They are built one top of another. They are built one top of another like stepwise. Okay, na children? Okay, this is the multi-storied buildings. Okay? Next, children, all of you look here. Stilt houses. Stilt houses. This is the stilt houses. These are found in places where it rains heavily. These are found in places where it rains heavily. These houses are built on cities made of wood or bamboo. These houses are built on stilts made of wood or bamboo. Okay, na children? Stilt houses are built a little above the ground. Stilt houses are These houses are built. These type of houses are built above the ground. Okay, na children? Like this. They have sloping roofs. Okay, na? These type of houses are mainly we found in which places are rains coming heavily. Okay, na? That type of places we have to found these type of houses. Okay, na children? Actually, these type of houses are looking rarely. Okay, na? And these houses are built still made of wood and bamboo. These houses built with the using of materials wood and bamboo. Okay, na children? Stilt houses are built little above the ground. Little above the ground means ground ki koncham ettuga ani kadatu untarannamata. These type of houses, because when rain comes means these type of houses are నాట్ ఫ్లోటెడ్. ఓకేనా? అంటే మునిగిపోకుండా కడుతూ ఉంటారు కదా, అందుకు వాళ్ళ యొక్క సంరక్షణ కోసం కట్టుకునే దాటిని స్టిల్ట్ హౌసెస్ అంటారు. ఓకేనా? ఎక్కడైతే ఎక్కువగా రెయిన్స్ అనేవి వస్తాయో అక్కడ ఇవి ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా? సో దే హ్యావ్ స్లోపింగ్ రూఫ్స్ ఆల్సో, బికాస్ వెన్ రైన్ ఫాలింగ్ మీన్స్ దట్ రైన్ ఈస్ డోంట్ డ్యామేజ్ దిస్ హౌస్. ఓకేనా? ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్, లుక్ ఎట్ దిస్ ఆల్సో. Houseboats are houses on boats. Houses on boats. Thus, they are called floating houses. Tourists often live in them. Would you like to live in that type of houseboats? Children, look at this. This is a houseboat. The houseboat other name is floating houses. Okay, na? The houseboat other name is floating houses. Okay, na? Mainly tourists are like to live such type of houses. Tourists means when America persons, Japans, we have which peoples are other country people have to come our country like guests, they have to like to live such type of houses. Okay, na children, would you like to live this type of houses? Okay, good. Next, look at this children. Igloos are houses made of blocks, snow and ice. They are found in places that are covered with snow all through the year. Children, mainly these is igloos. These type of houses are made of blocks of snow and ice. Okay, na? Blocks of snow and ice అంటే మంచుతో కట్టబడే మంచుతో తయారుకున్న బ్లాక్స్తోను ఇంకా ఐస్తోను కట్టబడిందే ఈ గ్లూస్ అన్నమాట. ఓకేనా? మోస్ట్లీ దీస్ ఆర్ ఫౌండ్ ఇన్ వేర్ ద స్నో ఈస్ కవర్డ్ ఆల్ త్రూ ది ఇయర్. ఇవి మనం ఎక్కడ ఉంటాయంటే వేర్ ద స్నో ఈస్ కవర్డ్ ఆల్ త్రూ ది ఇయర్ లైక్ హిమాలయాస్. ఓకేనా చిల్డ్రన్? Okay, mainly such type of places we have to found these type of houses. Okay, na? Okay, very good. And children, look at these also. These are the tents. Tents are made of canvas or plastic. These tents are made of canvas or plastic. Okay, na? They are used when people camp in the open place. They can be folded and easily carried anywhere. Children, look at this. These are the tents. Okay, na? This is made with canvas or plastic. Which time this type of houses use? When the people likes to go for a trip from one place to another place, then we have to carry this type of tent easily, because this one is easily folded and to carry a bag easily to where we want to go, that type of places we have to use these tents to carry easily. Okay, na children? So such type of houses are used in farm. Okay, na? Okay. Next, this is the caravans. This is the caravan. Okay na children. These houses on wheels. These houses are on wheels. They can be driven from one place to another. Children, this is the tent now. This tent means we have to fold this easily and carry with a bag from where we want to go that places. Okay na children. But this one is a caravan. Caravan means it is look like a house. We have to live house. Such type of only we have to live this van also. Okay na children. In this van only we have to cook food, eating, bathing, etc. All of doing this van only. Okay na children. So this is the caravan. This caravan is wheel. This is the house on wheels. This is the house on wheels. You have to drive from one place to another place easily. Okay na children. These are the different types of houses. Okay na children. Okay. The next video we will continue the grammar. Okay na children. Thank you for watching this video.